Hello friends, myself Ravi Irania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is singleton class in Java. So today's date 8 September 2022. So we will start. So basically singleton class is a class in which we restrict our we restrict other classes to create an object. So how we can done it? Because in that class we just allow to create only one object. So it is not, we can say, we are not fully restricting them to create an object, but we are allowing them to create one object for all the classes. So when we define normal class, we can write a constructor or we don't write constructor. So basically in singleton class we have to define a constructor basically first, and the constructor must be but we need to create one constructor which is work like a default constructor. So but that constructor should be private. So in other classes, in normal classes, we define a constructor as default value, or we can say public. Because of public, everyone can create an object and they can create an instance of that class. But making constructor as private, it will restrict the other classes to create the object of that class, or that we can say instance of that class. And because of that, other classes can't create we can say its object. But we need to create we need to allow them to access its one object, only one object, or we have to allow them to access to create a one object. So how we can done it? So we can done it through creating a object of that class inside that class, and we can pass, or we can create a method which will return the object which can be called from outside of the class, and that class can access the object of that class. So basically we can do it like that, or basically the steps to create a we can say singleton class is that first we need to create our constructor private, and we have to define at least one constructor which is default constructor as a private constructor. In the second part, we must create one static method, because without static there is only one way to access the method, that is using object. But we are not allowing other classes to create object. So we have to make one class as static class. So if the one method has a static, if the method is static, we can access that method through that class. So we don't need to create an object of that class. So making that method as static, and it will return object. Suppose our class name is, we can say, ABC. So static class name, that is ABC, and we will write the method name, static class name. Next part is method name, that we can say get instance or get object. In the bracket we will return the object because before creating the method we have created an object of that class, ABC class, and inside that ABC class, so in the method we will pass, or we will return the object of ABC class. So when any other classes which they want to create an object of the ABC class, so they just need to they can't create it directly as we create in normal classes. So if they want to create or they want to access some methods or properties, they have to use that method. So using class name dot that get instance method, and because the class will return the object, we need to create another we can say variable or object which will accept the reference of that object. So for every time there will be only one object. So when we make a change in one object, the change may affect on another objects and its properties. So suppose our variable content, there is a variable that is roll number equals to 20. Suppose we make a change as in first object, and we try to create another object through get method, and will print the method or print the roll number using second. So it will work as same, and it will return the new value which we have updated in object 1. Because for every get method there will be, the compiler will not create another method or another object. So there will be only one object for all the methods, or for all the times the get instrument method is called. So you can say, so the performance also, the actions, something is done on only one object. So it will restrict the user to create multiple object of that class, and it will save the spaces or save the memory. So this is all about from my side. Thank you.